Hey guys, Joel here with the first of what I'm hoping to be many Tesla videos on this channel. But one of the, I guess, first problems happened recently when I was driving. You can see right there, I'm trying not to block it, right there. A rock hit it when I was driving on the freeway. And it's a bit frustrating, but honestly, it's probably the first real problem I've had with this car in my 4 months of ownership. Overall, I couldn't even be happier with the car because it's the only problem that I've encountered so far. And this is an older generation Model S. This is 2013. I bought mine pre-owned, I guess, CPO. But again, I've had this for only 4 months, and this is the only issue that I need getting addressed, because even though it's kind of minute, it still bothers me knowing that it's there, which is where I'm going right now. I'm gonna get it repaired. But overall, the satisfaction level of owning this car has been off the charts. No maintenance. Okay, so we've arrived at Safelite Auto Glass. I'm gonna get it filled in through my insurance. They're gonna take care of it, so I don't have to pay anything. So yeah, let's get to it. What? We're back, and I gotta say, like, I can't even see it. It's like right here. Well, you can see it, but like, it's so smooth. It's like a little rain spot. Honestly, it's perfect. They did a really good job. Hey guys, so I'm just coming back from Safelite Auto, and honestly, I don't even see the crack anymore. It's actually filled pretty well. You have to be actively looking for it in order to see it, and when you do see it, it's not even that big of a deal. It looks like, I don't know, maybe a little mosquito that you happen to smash from the inside of the car because it kept buzzing in your face. Yeah. But yeah, here's what it looks like from the outside.